Hi guys, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Doctors Must Have Minis kit from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. This kit contains a full skincare routine. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare promises that we will experience immediate radiance, smaller looking pores, improved tone and texture, and hydrated skin. It comes in a beautiful see-through orange bag. The kit is retailed for £60 and inside we will find 5 must-have mini products from the brand. Okay, beautiful people, let's see what it hides inside. And first I took out Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. Inside we have 5 treatments. One treatment has 2 steps. Basically we have 2 pads infused with a product. First we will use the pad 1, which will exfoliate and smooth. We will wait a couple of minutes, and after we will use the step 2 pad. It's called anti-aging neutralizer. The treatment will help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and will improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Second product that we find is Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. This cleanser will remove dirt, oil and makeup. It's made for all skin types, is soap-free and sulfate-free, and it has 60 ml of a product. The size is generous. Third product that we get is Be-Free Adaptive Superfood Stress SOS Eye Cream. Here we have 5 ml of a product. Well, for an eye cream is a good size. I already tried this product and is good. The formula is lightweight, is absorbing easy into the skin. I like that this product, this mini, it comes with a pump, helpful and very easy to use. Next we find the face serum, C+ collagen, brighten and firm vitamin C serum. What we know about this face serum is that it's packed with collagen, amino acids, vitamin C, and a unique energy complex to boost cells and accelerate repair, improving imperfections like dullness, dark spots, uneven texture, and expression lines. Well guys, I love and I'm using vitamin C face serum daily basis. Vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant that will stimulate collagen production. It also fights fine lines, brighten your complexion, is a great anti-aging ingredient to use. As I said, I'm using vitamin C face serum daily and I love it. Above the size of this face serum, it have 9 ml of a product. And the last product that we find is oil-free moisture cushion. It's a hydrating face cream that contains amino acids, marine algae and hyaluronic acid, and we get 50 ml of a product. I am planning to try only this skincare routine for a while to see if it works and to see which product I like the most, and after I will tell you my thoughts. I know that Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare brand is a very expensive brand. This cream in a full size, it costs £59 and I think that is the cheapest face cream that Dr. Dennis Gross have. Okay, beautiful people, I hope that you liked and enjoyed watching this video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!